Sometimes we are going to a call or a driving under the influence suspicion, and we're not for sure.
A new roadside drug detector may soon help law enforcement know what they're dealing with in real time. The SoToxa device uses saliva to show in minutes whether certain drugs are present in the driver's body.
And now a number of police agencies across our state have this test in hand. Fox 17 News investigator Kelly Avellino now looking into how this mobile test could also at least be a part of the solution to Tennessee's struggles with handling sober DUI cases.
Fox 17 has shown you the sobering impacts of a sober DUI arrest.
I just can't believe this.
With more than 2,500 people facing DUI charges in Tennessee since 2017, who then tested zero for any drugs or alcohol.
Fox 17 News uncovering hundreds of people.
Fox 17's reporting has found people with sober DUI arrests often have medical or physical issues, leading them to a shaky field sobriety test.
Yeah, but I don't know if I got that balance or not.
But now up to 24 law enforcement agencies in Tennessee will have this technology on site. It's the SoToxa saliva drug tester from Abbott Labs. The Tennessee Highway Safety Office is using grant money to distribute the device to selected police departments across the state. Clarksville is one.
And we don't want the person on the road if they shouldn't be driving, but we also want the truth.
A saliva strip is run through the device. In about 5 minutes, it can show the presence of amphetamines, methamphetamines, depressants, cannabinoids, cocaine, and opiates. Or it could show the person has taken nothing.
They don't smell alcohol, but they're stumbling, and we ask them to do field sobriety tests, and they fail their field sobriety tests. We think something's going on. Do I let this person drive away and cause another accident and then be liable for that? Or do they arrest them? Well, this will help them determine what path to go.
Now officers can still use their discretion to let someone go. I reached out to the Tennessee Highway Patrol, which had the highest number of sober DUI arrests in newly released TBI data. Information that's now public after a state law passed last year
Ayes 95, no nays.
Requiring more transparency. I asked THP about its protocol. What happens if a SoToxa device shows a negative result? Also, if this kind of mobile test gets used, could portable breathalyzers be brought back?
He tested negative.
Fox 17 News' previous investigative series found most law enforcement agencies in Middle Tennessee no longer use breathalyzers. THP did not respond to our questions.
Orange by your side.
Officers do have to go through special training in order to use the SoToxa device. In Clarksville, for example, 3 will be trained who can then be dispatched to scenes where a DUI may be involved.
And studies show these types of saliva drug tests are typically accurate, but different drugs can have different detection sensitivities. So there is some room in there for some error, and that can potentially lead to more questions. Now, the results can be admissible in court after state legislators passed an amendment to a law in 2024. Either way, if you're arrested for DUI, police will almost certainly request or get a search warrant for a blood test, the gold standard, considering the many DUI cases we've reviewed here over the past 2 years. I'll continue to monitor the impact of the SoToxa device with law enforcement agencies here in Tennessee and keep you updated. I'm Kelly Avellino for Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.